Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy end of summer, not quite officially fall yet. Today's Labor Day, and I mean, I'm the type of person that tries to hang on to summer for as long as possible. It is my absolute favorite season of the year, but to be honest with you, I keep opening my cabinet with my fall, like all my candles in it, and when I open it, I smell the pumpkin spice and fall candles. They just overpower everything else in there, and it made me really want to put up my fall decorations. So I figure since Labor Day is considered the unofficial end of summer, might as well start putting up some fall decorations. So today I'm going to try something a little bit different and do a vlog style video and bring you guys along with me as I decorate my house for fall. Okay guys, so this is the main room that I'm going to decorate. It is our living room. Okay, just pay no mind to that. We're getting rid of that eventually. It's just a giant beanbag chair. But anyway, so this is the room that I'm really going to be decorating, plus the kitchen, maybe the bathroom. Here are all the boxes of decorations I have. We don't have much, but I don't even remember what's in here, but we're gonna find out. So we bought this house about 2 years ago in April 2018. So this is our third fall in this house. So we don't have very many decorations because I've kind of just been picking things up each year that I see that I like. And my taste in decoration has changed a lot over the past few years. So I kind of just randomly buy things and then decorate as I get them. So to be honest with you, I don't even remember what's in those boxes. So we're just gonna have to find out. Also, before I start pulling things out of boxes, I just want to show you guys this. So I actually made this the other week. I just got a wooden bowl rectangle thing from Hobby Lobby and painted it. And then I got these plastic pumpkins and pine cones. This actually all came in a little set. And then I just took some fairy lights that I got from Christmas tree shop and put them in here and made a little centerpiece. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think this whole thing together may have costed $10, so I'm really pleased with this. Also, this camera, I'm learning now, is so heavy that I should probably use a different camera for vlogging. My arm is killing me already. So what I'm learning is that I should probably start packing things up the end of the season by room, because this is a mixture of both kitchen and living room, and honestly I just don't even know where to begin. But I guess Reese is gonna join us today. Hey Reese, are there things taking over your living room? Are they in your space? Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. That's not a toy. So it actually looks like this box has a lot of couch pillows and blankets and stuff for the couch, so I guess that'll be what I start with. So while Reese chews on a stick that he pulled off on my wreaths, I will show you guys. So this pillow and that pillow, I believe I got those from Home Goods as well, maybe a year or so ago. They kind of need to be fluffed. I would actually like to get a few more. This one probably won't stay here because this is Reese's spot to look out the window, and as you can see, the back of my couch is kind of dilapidated because of it. And then this blanket, I believe I got from Christmas Tree Shop 2 years ago. I'll probably get a new one of those too. I'm definitely in the market for some new fall decorations because like I said, every year my taste changes, so I'll probably end up getting more. So my problem is this: I'm never ready to buy fall decorations until fall. I don't want to be buying fall decorations in the middle of July, but by the time I am ready to buy fall decorations, Christmas decorations are out. I think it was last week or the week before, I went to the store at home and their aisles were full of Christmas stuff, and I was like, did we skip a whole season here? What happened? I know people are trying to rush this year along, but I'm not there yet. So I definitely think I should have done my coffee table last, just because I don't really know what to put on here. It's difficult because of the dual toned top. Got like a marble and like an almond. So I'm really kind of just unsure what to put on here. I've got this, show you, this like rope placemat that says Hello Fall. It's cute. I got it from Christmas Tree Shop about 2 years ago. But like I said, my taste was a lot different back then than it is now. So I'm just kind of unsure of, how do I even have this now? I don't even know. So I'm kind of just unsure of how I want this. But I don't know. This is cute too. It's from Christmas Tree Shop. It lights up. I don't know if I have batteries in it right now. Let me see. Oh, I do. So it lights up. And then I got this candle from At Home. It smells so good. It's chai latte cupcakes. And then this one is chestnut wood. I got that from Home Goods, I think, last year. But yeah, so it'll be nice and cozy at night. I'm just unsure if I'm going to keep all this there. I think I have to wait until I'm done the rest of the room to figure it out. So now that my hands are completely covered in glitter, so this shelf, well, these shelves, they look so bare. See, this is my issue. When I first moved in, I was very and I still am, a very minimalist person, and I don't like clutter, and it really stresses me out. So like, I try to keep things minimal. But like, now that I had that green plant up there that was hanging over, that like took up a lot of room. So now it just looks so bare. So anyway, here's another one of those light up little ceramic things. I got this from Christmas Tree Shop as well 2 years ago. It's a little owl. And funny story about these two like vase jar things. So 2 years ago when we were buying our first fall decorations, I told my husband, I was like, you know what, like contribute, what do you want? Because he was saying that I wasn't picking out anything, and that is what he picked out. I don't know why, but I just put it up to make him happy. And then we have this just monogram pumpkin that I also believe I got from Christmas Tree Shop 2 years ago, which when we moved in, I wanted everything black and white and gray, which this fit in. It still kind of fits in with our furniture, so I ain't mad about it. And then this is just like my year-round decoration that I think I'm gonna keep there just because it's like fall colors, I guess. This actually I got in a FabFitFun box. It is from Pottery Barn. It's like a diffuser. This was another DIY project. I just mixed together some craft paint and Mod Podge and painted a glass jar, and it gave this like glossy finish. And moving on to the top shelf, I literally had to take a break because this camera is heavy. There's a Welcome Autumn sign. I couldn't tell you where I got that. I want to say Home Goods, I think last year. This is one of my favorite pieces. I believe I got that from Home Goods as well. I just thought it was cute, the little like namaste skeleton. That pumpkin I got 2 years ago from Christmas Tree Shop, and then those vases were another DIY project. That, if you can see, is more of like a clay matte kind of finish. I used baking powder and craft paint, just mixed them together and painted some glass vases for that, and I've kept them because I just did it and I feel like it matches. So those are my shelves. Will I change it around? Probably. Okay, so for my entertainment center, I kind of, again, I just feel like, I don't know, it looks bare. I don't know, I'm gonna have to get some different things. But so down here, I just put a little like wooden pumpkin that I got from Christmas Tree Shop 2 years ago, a candle because I didn't know where else to put it and it smells good. Then starting over here, this is my year-round decoration, but I'm keeping it just because it, you know, fits the fall theme. I got these, both these things, the filler and the glass vase from Target, and then I got the fairy lights from Christmas Tree Shop and I just shoved them in there. Behind my TV, I actually have more fairy lights, but you can't see it because it's daytime. Here is just this that I bought last year, the fall right after we got married, so I don't even remember where I got this. Home Goods? Yeah, Home Goods, look. Only $5.99. So got that from Home Goods. I showed you guys this earlier, the DIY project I did. This, I believe, also came from Home Goods. This was also a DIY project, and these came from Christmas Tree Shop. And then down here, this is a year-round decoration, but I just kept it because it matches. I got that from Hobby Lobby. Actually, I got all of that from Hobby Lobby. They were separate and I just put them together. Then down here, we have the blanket that I got from Christmas Tree Shop 2 years ago. And then this basket I got from Home Goods like in the beginning of summer. And I just decided to switch out the blanket, keep the basket there. So that is my entertainment center. There it is again. So on to the next thing. So there's also this corner shelf that I have, but to be honest with you, the only thing that I have to put on there is this sign, the turkey and pie and football oh my, that I got from Home Goods last year. I believe I've seen that like signs with this saying at a couple other places too. But yeah, the shelf kind of just has some pictures in our Amazon Echo, and I don't really have anything to put on these shelves right now, but I'm sure I will find something. So next will just be some quick things in the kitchen. I just have a few things over there that I want to put out. I'm not doing a lot in this kitchen because we are going to be painting it and redoing some things in here. I would like to get a new kitchen table. This gray paint, I don't even know what I'm going to paint it yet, but it's gotta go. You can see like marks on the wall there. There's marks on the wall behind the trash can, on the wall over there, down here. It's just a mess. It's gotta go. So I think maybe white, and then I would like to take these silver handles and either get like a matte black or like a gold. I'm undecided about that yet. So I just have a few things to put out in here that I will show you. So first are just some like, I don't even know this material. It's like a easy to clean material of placemats that just say hello fall. I got these from Christmas Tree Shop about 2 years ago. I think they were only like $1 each, and I was kind of like in a crunch, so I just grabbed them. I would like some new ones though. I would like some new like everyday ones as well. And this is my favorite thing, this Lazy Susan from Hobby Lobby. I believe this was like, I don't know, like $20, and it says come gather at the table, and it is so cute. I just love it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put the apples are on top, and then that is it for the table. I do have this like dish here that I don't really know where to put it yet. It might go somewhere on the table, I'm unsure yet. But that is just some stuff for the table. And then lastly, just some super small things like these oven towel, whatever, I don't know, decorative towels. This one says pumpkin spice everything, and this one says hello pumpkin. I got them from Home Goods last year for like, I don't know, like $2. They were super cheap. Then I decided to just put that dish there to put some like cooking supplies on. And then I just had this drying mat. I've got the dish, whatever, the dryer thing, cleaning out right now. But I have the drying mat here, and then that'll just go on top of here. And then I just put one of these up here. They smell so good. And I feel like whenever we cook, the house starts to smell like onion and stuff, and I hate that, so I just put that there. But that's it, really. And then I gotta put this stuff away. But I have this welcome fall flag that I'm going to put outside, and I really just need to get some more decorations. So if there's anything that I learned today, it is that one, I totally need to get some new fall decorations because I literally have nothing. This actually happens every year. I decorate, I say every year, but the last 2 years, I decorate and then I'm like, I literally have nothing. And I mean, by now, all the stores have like Christmas decorations, so I'm gonna have to look online, see if I can find anything. And two, that this camera is super heavy to hold up, so sorry if I sound like I'm out of breath this entire video and that it's shaky, because this camera is no joke. I usually have it on a tripod when I'm filming, but now it's just handheld while I'm doing this like vlog style video, and it's killing my arm. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you know of any places that are still selling fall decorations, or any places online or in store that have some super cute fall stuff that you've seen, please let me know, because obviously I'm in the market for some new stuff. And I'll be sure to keep you guys updated on what I'm doing with the kitchen. In a few weeks, me and my husband are going to paint the kitchen. We're also going to paint this room back here, which is like a spare bedroom that we currently use as like a closet. And I'll keep you guys updated on that as well. I love doing all kinds of like home renovation stuff, especially this year, because honestly this week we were supposed to be in Disney, but then Corona happened. So we're kind of just focusing a lot this year on doing things around the house to make it feel like a home and to make way for what hopefully is a baby in the next few years. So this year has been all about focusing on the house. So I will keep you updated on any more home renovations or decor, anything like that. The DIY projects that I showed you guys today, if you are interested in trying those out or wondering how I did those things, check out my TikTok. It is, my name on there is @BrieCutter, so tiktok.com/@BrieCutter. I posted videos on there. I also posted on my Instagram Reels the same videos to show you guys how I did those projects. So my name on Instagram is @BrieCutter, so check those out if you want to see how I did those. And if you guys liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post. And until next time, see you guys.